Happy anniversary, mahal. Here's my gift for you. There, it's called the explosion box. And here's how you open it. Just have to open it like that. There. Take this one off. And then read it one by one. I will always be here. Picture that says, I got your back. Picture na super close tayo. And then a picture that says, I love you, best friend. And here it says, ang cute mo. Ang cute ko din. Pero mas cute pag magkasama tayo, right? I also have your favorite song. I wanna go right, you'd rather go left. I wanna go fight, you'd rather be quiet. I wanna be right, you'd rather be wrong. I wanna be weak, you'd rather be strong. Moving along, singing your song. Opposites do attract. Needing each other, always together. Opposites do attract. You take me just as I am. No more, no less, just as I am. So you see, isang ganyan lang magkalapit na tayo, diba? There. And then I also have a letter here for you, but I'm not gonna read it here. Bahala ka na magbasa. Also this one, on this flap, maganda din yung ginawa ko dyan. Oh, picture natin, see? There. So, one more time. Wala lang, napitan kasi ako dyan, mahirap gawin yan, mahal. Kaya ingatan mo to, okay? And then another one here that says, I miss you all the time. O different time zones, magkaiba ng time zone, pero I miss you all the time. Kakaiba ng time yan. Miss kita kung 1:30, kung 10:10, kung 12 o'clock, kung 10:05, 12:35, to 10:10 ulit. Lagi kitang miss pag 10:10. Another flap here. Yan. Parang film with our pictures on it. See? Kailan na natin mo yan. Puro effort ko yan, ha? So, there. Anything else? Wala na. Okay? Take care of this one. And then, I also inserted here some pictures of ours. Yung mga ibang memories pa. Yung coffee natin. Yung dinner date, mga chocolates, foods, basta marami dyan. Yung mga memories natin together. Take care of this, ha? And then here's how you put it right back. Ganyan lang. And just have to close it like that and put on the cover. And then there. So I hope you liked it. Sobrang effort ang binigay ko dyan. Mapasmile ka lang kahit malayo tayo. I love you so much. Bye-bye, mahal.